Now, when you're actually on your Binance app, we're talking about the word top gainer strategy right now and how to utilize it to its potential. Okay, the very first thing you want to ensure is that you move over here to beginners, and then you can clearly see all the coins that people have been buying in high volume within 24 hours. Okay, so now the number one criteria for trading the top gainer is to ensure that the price of this asset is clearly moving above the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. Remember, I told you the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA, they are like what bread and butter to every trader. So the very first thing you want to do is to examine all the pairs here and figure out the ones that are trading above the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. You can see my 50 EMA here is the yellow line, the yellow moving average, and the pink one here is the what? The 200 EMA. You can set yours. If you do not know how to set it, simply go here, click here, go to indicators, go to your EMA, and then set it here. You see EMA 1, set it at 50, EMA 2, set it at 200. All right, good. So after you have done that, that is rule number 1. Okay, that's rule number 1, and just check. Okay, but here is the thing: the driving momentum of this coin is actually what declining. You can see from the 1 hour time frame here, the candlesticks has upper wick that is actually very long. In other words, it's telling you that there's a price rejection going on. Okay, and it's finding it difficult to break through. Okay, so what do you do as a smart guy? You simply go back and check other coins and other options. So now let's check XEC. Okay, let's check XEC. If this fits into the criteria, we'll take a long position and then we'll fire down. Good. You can see here the momentum is actually what building up. You can see we have follow-up of big candles, meaning that what the prices of this what assets, or rather the price of this asset is actually what increasing due to the demand. That's why we have bigger candlesticks, and we can see here big candlesticks, no much price rejections, and they are all closing above the previous what candlesticks. Okay, if you do not understand how candlesticks work, send me a DM on my WhatsApp. The link is on the description. I'd attend to you privately if you want a mentorship for that. So basically this is how it works. Okay, so let's check the 4 hour time frame. Good. You can see this coin is actually bullish. This is a coin you should be trading on spot right now. Okay, it's actually bullish. Consecutive candles are bigger. In other words, the prices of what the price of this asset is going to increase even more than this. Okay, so put an eye on this and watch this coin very closely. Let's check if there's another option, and it's even trading above the 50 and the 200 EMA. So let's check. Let's see BSW, what they are doing. Let's see BSW. Not looking nice. It's already retracing. If it doesn't form another higher high at this level here, then it's totally finished. Okay, I don't advise you go into this coin because people have already bought it and now they are dumping it. So it's better when you buy it when it's just rising. Okay, don't buy a coin that's already overbought. If you buy a coin that's already overbought, man, it's just gonna be not turner for you, man. Honestly, it's gonna be more pains and woes for you. You can see they're already dumping this coin and it's still on the top gainers. In other words, after some time it's gonna disappear from here. Okay, so basically this is what you need to do. So now let's go back. Let's see if we have other options. GLMR. Okay, GLMR. Let's see that. Sorry, this is BSW. Let's go back to GLMR. Let's see what this coin is doing right now. It's still in an uptrend though, but retracing back. I don't advise you go into this coin. Okay, I don't advise because this red candle you are seeing here, this very big red candle, is telling you that there's a huge dump. So apparently this coin was pumped by institutional traders. All right, so I don't advise you go into this coin because they've actually sold off so many. Okay, so much volume of this coin has been sold. In other words, it has been dumped. So I don't advise you go into this coin at this time. All right, so beautiful. So what is the peak we had? We had XEC. Now let's see what XEC is doing. I told you this coin is going to do massive because it's trading. Okay, just look at, we have a Marubozu currently on the 4-hour time frame. Can you see this? Highly bullish, and it just started rising. So you can get in on this coin right now and make huge profit out of this in no distant time. All right, on spot, but I don't know if this coin is on futures. If it's on futures, you can leverage with 20x or 10x with a little margin. Okay, a little percent of your margin. Just figure that out yourself. Okay, so you're still watching MJ Crypto, and this is what we do here. We backtest strategies, try them out, and then come back here to tell you how to use these strategies. Mind you, it must be above the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. The 50 EMA is a what? Fast moving EMA, and then the 200 is a what? Slow moving EMA. Okay, it's a slow moving MA. Okay, moving average. All right, so if you do like what we do here on this channel, feel free to subscribe, send me a DM on my WhatsApp. If you need a private mentorship, I can put you through. All right, so cheers guys. See you in the next video. Ensure you make a lot of profit from this coin. If you are just watching this video now, you're at an advantage. Take advantage of this and cash out massively. All right, so cheers guys. Have a good time.